My name is Oscar Rivera. I'm a U.S. Army veteran. I did 20 years in the Army. I had a couple of deployments. My last deployment was in 2009, 2010 to Iraq and Kuwait. That was my last deployment, IETA, which means I left the military in 2011, 2012. I probably served for 20 plus years. Very happy that I did it. Met a lot of good friends then, and traveled all over the world. Met a lot of cool people. Some good experiences, some bad experiences, but overall, would I do it again? Yes, I would do it all over again. I came to PRC when I was attending the VA hospital for some therapy, and started working at PRC as a technician, learned the business, and then I was quickly promoted to project manager, which is what I do right now. I've been with the company for a little bit over 7 years, going into 8 years now, and I like it, you know. So I think the leadership that I learned in the military are helping me a lot in this company now.